Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. Guys, saya ada terjumpa satu game yang agak menarik dekat mata saya. So, game hari ni bertajuk Strange Toilet. Okay guys, berdasarkan description dekat game ni macam tak ada kena-mengena pun dengan toilet. Sebenarnya berdasarkan apa yang dia describe lah. Game ni tentang Nathan dan Sarah yang dekat kawasan perumahan dia orang ni ada satu kejadian penghabisan nyawa. Takutlah nak sebut kalau kat YouTube Okay, so jadi tak tahu kenapa Strange Toilet, kenapa dengan toilet, apa jadi dengan toilet. So kita mainkan sahajalah game ni. So dekat main menu ada Strange Toilet. It's totally very scary. So dia cakap game ni sangat-sangat scary. Rule number 1, kalau awak ketawa atau takut, awak kena bagi saya 5 star. Deal? Okay, so guys, kalau kita takut ataupun kita ketawa, kita kena bagi dia rating 5 star lah kan. So rule nombor 2, kita kena have fun dan kita kena sentiasa flush toilet kita. Okay, adakah penjenayah tu keluar dari toilet? Kita tak tahu. Okay, so ada start, ada Discord, ada creators, ada exit. So kita terus start je lah Subtitle English, quality. Come on lah guys. Okay, kita start. Oh my god. Start dah macam ni stress aku. You don't wanna see it again. So kita dah masuk ke game. Kita dalam tandas. Oh. So ni shampoo. Tadi kita baru lepas tandas. So dia cakap tadi dekat main menu kita jangan lupa flush toilet. So kita kena flush toilet kita. So ini je ke? Okay, so kita keluar.
Nathan.
I just have to shit, okay?
I hope you didn't
so ini ke
clog
isteri
the
kita?
toilet.
No, I didn't.
Isteri
Who
kot?
do you think I am?
Partner? Tak tahu.
Okay, you know what? Turn on the TV or we'll miss Uber News.
Pasal dia tak on
Of
sendiri
course.
TV tu? Tak ada tier. Oh.
Good day to everyone
Squid
and
Game,
welcome
guys.
back
Oh my
to
god.
Uber News.
Sangat menarik Up to date. Okay, so kita sekarang tengah tengok berita guys. News. Uber News.
In today's news, the inflation in our country is rising. There are rumors that $1 will be worth free. People don't have good opinion on it and they are saying that it will make living harder and increasing prices is not a good idea. There are also rumors that this change will only be temporary or not even gonna happen. In a local news, a new restaurant has been opened called Daddy's Meat. Clients that ate food already in there are saying that meat served there, especially steaks, are really well cooked and fresh. And our biggest news of the day. 2 days ago afternoon, a horrible crime has been committed. A dead body found of Drake Peppermint after car crash. People that saw that thought it was an accident. Drake Peppermint was struck by a car into empty shop. When police arrived, he was already dead. He had many wounds, not only bruises after crash but also many stab wounds. There was also a message on a wall that says he wasn't fun.
Jangan
This is
kita
now
dengar dulu apa dia
confirmed
cakap
that
guys.
it was deliberate murder. The wife of killed husband reported the calling phone and messages. The phone call happened first. She says that the man on the phone talking to Drake was clearly saying, "Let's have some fun." Then, after a few hours, she took a look on her phone to find the message, "The fun has begun." After some time, the whole thing has happened. Many of those who survived the meeting with murderer claiming that after escaping him, he left them alone. The only sign left then was notes on the door saying, "Good game." Those who were badly injured are now laying in a hospital. One of them sadly died of blood loss after getting stabbed, and there was not enough time for transfusion. You better be careful when taking a call,
Banyak yang dia
because
cakap.
you may not see another day. We will return to the rest of
Okay,
the
okay.
program after these commercials.
Okay, enough of this. I don't want to see some kind of idiot in a mask who can't even say a single sentence without stuttering.
It's late. I'm going to take a shower.
Okay, go.
Okay, Sarah nak. Okay, so I guess inilah Sarah berita tu cakap berita ada
What the
orang
fuck?
rebel.
Who is walking around the house at this hour?
Orang berita first dan second tu tak penting, tapi berita ketiga ada satu kejadian accident, apa peppermint apa tak nama dia tadi, dia dilanggar masuk ke dalam kedai, tapi ketika polis jumpa dia tu dah tak ada, dan ada kesan tikaman dekat badan dia, dan bukan hanya macam sekadar bukan sekadar accident biasa. Jadi gitulah guys. Ada orang ring a bell tadi. Mana tadi ni tandas kan? Sarah. Okay. Boleh menyorok apa? Okay, ada orang. Sekejap. Okay. Ada orang ketuk. Apa ni? I'm just saying. Boleh buka semua guys. Betul-betul interaktif lah. Oh my god. Okay guys, so jom. Don't shit anymore. Dia cakap jangan buang air. Dah. Dia tak bagi kita berak guys. Oh sorry. Yang tengah makan tu minta maaf lah. Yang minta makan tu tengah makan tu boleh dah tu bawa. Jangan tengok dulu Mana radio ni? Ke radio? Sekejap, mana radio? Ni speaker. Sekejap. Dalam ni. Oh ni.
We're interrupting the following audition to inform you about the danger. A toilet killer was captured on
Toilet
cameras in the
killer.
city. Many resident owners reported calls from unknown caller that were possibly from murderer. If your phone is ringing, you better don't answer it. Now
Okay.
we return
Toilet
to current
killer.
audition.
Kalau kita dengar phone kita ringing, jangan angkat. Sebab ada toilet.
Nathan, turn on the light.
Give me a moment.
Allahu Akbar. Time ni lah hang nak padam ni. Lepas tu kena keluar. Oh bukan. Astaghfirullahalazim. Weh Najwa. Hai kau buruk kau. Astaghfirullahalazim. Terkejut aku. Terkejut betul ke? I never lie. Okay. Hah? Oh my god. Sejak bila rumah kita ada benda-benda macam ni? Allah. Adakah Sarah sebenarnya aluminium? Kenapa rumah kita ni gelap dia tu? Takutnya aku. Oh patutlah semua benda boleh di interact. Kunci. Kunci apa tu? Sebab memang kita kena mencari. So kita cari dekat tandas pula. Apa ni? Dapur. Oh kan. Okay, tak ada. Allah, nak kena cari satu-satu ni. Aku lemah sikit ni. Kalau tak angah. Baram pula aku. Oh, lah makan. Okay. Oh, atas tak boleh buka. Tu tiba-tiba dia jam sekali tampar pula korang. Huh? Something is missing here. Apa benda? Ni, kau keluar sekejap lah. Ish. Tolonglah cari. Tiba pula nak kena cek. Lah, mana kata handle? Apa tu? Ada benda kita boleh tekan. Apa tu? Buku. Lah, tiba-tiba ada pintu rahsia. Wow.
I don't need to take it.
Kita undur. Ni cara tak nak jump scare. I don't need to take it. Habis tu aku nak kena buat apa? Tadi
I
suruh
don't
cari
need to
handle.
take it.
Habis tu aku tak suka betul lah. Jangan cakap aku kena guys, ini bukan untuk ditiru lah guys. Weh. Hai. Lepas tu nak buat apa ni? Weh, nak aku nak bagi menyala ni saja. Lepas tu pintu tutup. Kita tengok Sarah guys. Aku dah tak tahu nak buat apa ni. Seram pula dah. Lepas tu aku benci lah. Ambil ni.
I don't need to take it.
Aku tampuk pegang lah. Tu nak kena ambil apa ni? Kan ambil gitar pula main gitar. Betul boleh main. Sekejap. Lepas tu ya Allah ya Tuhanku, otak aku jam. Dia lah gelap. Tak, sekarang ni serius tak ada apa dah. Tadi dah, sini dah semua dah, nak buat apa lagi? Tak faham. Nak kena buat apa ni? Takkan turun bawah lagi. I never lie. Oh ni, ni lah. Ya Allah ya Tuhanku, astagfirullahalazim. Tadi dia cakap kalau ada call jangan angkat kan. Decline, kita right mouse button. Sarah. Good game.
The door is locked. I have to find something to break them down.
Inilah apa lagi. Jangan buat-buat sangat. Okay. Guys. Kita kena selamatkan Sarah. Sarah. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3.
Is it nice not to answer the phone?
Oi, mak kau.
Nathan, wake up. You shit your pants.
Lah.
Yeah. Give me a moment.
Astaghfirullahalazim.
What? Why it's happening to me again? I must go and wash myself.
You, Nathan. Hi, Sarah. Sarah, do you still love me if I shit my pants? Kau pasal lah. Aku tampuk kau kan. Ui, otak aku jam. Okay. Okay, if you laugh or get scared, kena bagi 5 star. Okay, takut sikit tadi. It's a fun game. Like I said, actually sebenarnya game ni singkat je. Dan sebenarnya game ni bukanlah game horror yang macam kita expect tu guys. Macam funny game aja tu. And it's a cute game but sedikit menjijikkan. Kepada yang makan tu saya minta maaf lah kan. Tapi guys, it's a good game. Sesuai untuk have fun. Gitu. So itu sajalah kot. I give it 5 over 5. No. Tak macam tinggi sangat Hakim. 4 over 5. Kita bagi 4 per 5 sebab toilet dia tak cantik. So toilet dia ada najis. Okay. Okay guys, so tak silap saya ada strange toilet tu. So mungkin next game kita akan main game tu. Okay. So untuk video kali ni, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching, and jangan lupa like, comment, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.